Try this simple but brilliant trick tonight and wake up to a tinnitus-free morning. If you're exhausted from the constant ringing and discomfort of tinnitus, then this 60-second video will change your life today. A medical researcher from Surrey has recently shared a strange trick anyone can use to eliminate the discomfort of tinnitus. It's so effective that it's already causing a stir on social media, rapidly turning into a viral sensation. Dr. Mark Evans, a medical researcher and dedicated husband, faced a distressing morning. His wife Sarah had tears in her eyes, describing how she couldn't sleep because of the unbearable ringing in her ears. The pain and frustration were overwhelming. They tried everything from eardrops to expensive treatments, but nothing worked. Sarah's condition only worsened, impacting her mood, her work, and their family life. Dr. Evans knew he couldn't let this continue. Determined to find a solution, he dived into extensive research, looking for a natural, effective remedy. As an experienced researcher, Dr. Evans understood that conventional treatments for tinnitus are often ineffective. Eardrops, vitamins, and pills provide temporary relief but fail to address the root cause. He knew he needed something different, something that tackled the problem at its core. This led him to explore the healing potential of natural ingredients. Dr. Evans discovered that the real root cause of tinnitus stems from deteriorating cochlear cells in the ear. These cells are responsible for converting vibrations into sound signals sent to the brain. But when these cells don't receive the necessary nutrients, they lose their ability to function correctly, causing the brain to generate random noise, the incessant ringing we know as tinnitus. This revelation made it clear, to stop tinnitus, the solution must nourish and regenerate cochlear cells. Dr. Evans's research led him to an ancient Chinese herb called ginkgo biloba. This rare plant is known for its remarkable ability to support blood circulation. As blood circulation increases, more nutrients flow through the blood and to the areas in need of them. However, Dr. Evans knew that to help stop his wife's debilitating tinnitus, he had to find a way to administer this natural remedy